I really love it when you guys send me your games and talk about how your game is doing, how many downloads it got, and sending me images of your grandma playing your game. Oh, how many families have bonded because of my tutorials. But this guy, this one guy, he took it to another level and he published a game on Steam called Super Fight, and that game cost $199. As you can see here, the price is in euros, but you get the point. And whole and behold, this game looks very familiar. If I go over here, it's, well, look at that handsome guy. Who is this dude? Who is this handsome guy creating this nice tutorial? There you go. This is the same game. He just watched my tutorial, recreated it, and published it on Steam, and he's selling it for, well, $199. Let's take a look at this game over here and take a look at the description. An arcade style action game. Come to start your fight. I mean, I'm already hyped about this game. What I love about this, the tags for this game. Apparently it's hentai. In this game you can, watch cartoon porn, I believe, and at the same time it's a psychological horror game. It has nudity. And what I'm amazed that this game has 15 reviews and they are mixed. Look at this. You've made me sad with this product. Okay, this is the greatest scam of all time. Understandable. I rather play Shower with Your Dad Simulator. Now look at the positive. These are the negatives. Look at the positive. This is the greatest speedrun of all time. It has one level, one enemy, and a JPEG image in the background. But honestly, does it need any more? Oh, well said, my sir. Well said. I believe this game doesn't need anything else. It is a complete game. I mean, this dude took it to another level. Not even big corporations do this. I'm amazed that people actually bought this.
$200 for Super Fight? LGE, you've lost your goddamn mind. Do it. F that, I'm not gonna spend $200 for a joke like this. I'm not buying it. I'm not spending $200 fucking dollars on Super Fight. Nathan or Jason? You know, this might have just been worth $200. Look at this. Huh. That about covers that, I'd say.
Somebody, he saw this page and he was like, I'm going to buy this game. I don't know, is the trailer that good? Let's take a look at the trailer. Well, basically nothing. He just, records the gameplay and he changed the image, at least from the tutorial, How can you buy this game after you watch this trailer? I really don't know, but I had a blast watching this. In all seriousness, don't do this, guys. This is why people think game development sucks, and this is why people, complain about developers. Because we have a gazillion Flappy Birds on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. Don't make a Flappy Bird type of game and put it here on Steam, because, you are throwing us in bad light. So when I say us, I mean game developers. If you truly want to create a game, just, put the time, invest in it, and create a game. But anyways, yeah. I mean, look at this game, and I don't know, I haven't anything else to say except that I published a new game and it cost $99. I will put the link in the description and you will see it now on the screen. Take care.